Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Guess who got blocked again on Twitter? Yeah, for inciting violence. I mean, he's going through so much right now, from tax issues to paying Kim K $200,000 in child support. And oh yeah, he's still supporting Balenciaga. Crazy. Poppy says he kissed the girl and he liked it. Oh, I mean, he's all smiles after the release of the video with him and Tony and Singh. Too sweet. Will Smith says he understands, if moviegoers aren't ready to support him in his new film Emancipation after what happened at the Oscars. But while he has those thoughts, he's more concerned about the other cast members. The movie opened yesterday, so we'll just have to wait and see. Wop, 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 wop. Skilly Bang won big at the Mobo Awards when he copped the award for Best Caribbean Act. He beat out the likes of Sean Paul, Coffee, Popcorn, and Spice. Big up Skilly! And finally holding the spot this week, Coffee has a huge fan in Black Panther, star Letitia Wright. So while performing in Peru, Coffee called on the movie star on stage for a quick hug and dance. Letitia posted the whole thing on her Instagram as well. That was a really nice vibe. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on Instagram for lots more